Hey guys, it's Hayden here. And yes, this is a face reveal. But not only a face reveal, fidget spinner tricks. So let's get into it. So the first fidget spinner trick is probably the most easiest trick of all. Well, balancing it on your finger. Probably the easiest trick out there. I mean, I love fidget spinners. Yep. But if you guys want to see a hydro dipping video, leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll do a video where I hydro dip this white one. But yeah, the next trick is called the double decker. Have two on top of each other and balance it. Yeah, so that was number 2. Moving on to number 3. Boom! Number 3 is bouncing it on your forehead. That was number 3. Number 4 is bouncing it on your shoe. That was number 4. Number 5 is let's see what I can do with number 5. Alright, so in this, you want to have 2 fidget spinners like this. So now spin them at the same time, and they make an awesome look, and they look even. Oh wait, I messed up. You have to have one going that way, and then have one going the opposite way, and it makes an awesome way. It looks really cool. This is just like a bonus. And once it slows down, it still looks cool. Let me just spin this one a little bit. Look how cool that looks. Look how cool that is. But yeah, if you guys want to see more fidget spinner tricks, leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll give you more fidget spinner trick videos. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. What do you guys do? Keep on fidgeting. See you later, guys.